Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 volume control not working. First method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Playing Audio. Third method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Audio Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.